boys and girls. Happy Friday. Aiden and I have a story we're going to share with you, and it's by our favorite author, Mo Willems. This is a fun story about Piggy, Elephant, and Piggy. I'm going to be the voice of Piggy. Aiden is going to be the voice of Gerald the elephant.
In the book it's called There Is a Bird on Your Head.
All right, let's get started. There is a bird on your head.
Those are birds.
And the pictures are very fun to look at. You can get the book open.
Remember, boys and girls, at the end, try to find the hidden pigeon.
There is a bird on your head. You can read along with us if you wish.
Piggy? Is there a bird on my head? Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head? The bird is now. Is the bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
I don't want. What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love. You see the heart above there? Lovely.
The birds on my head are in love.
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know the birds are lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds on my head are making a nest on my head? Why in the world are two birds making a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have eggs on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
They have hatched. Oh, I see tears. I think Piggy is crying tears of happy.
Now I have 3 baby birds on my head. Baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks and 2 birds and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Oh. Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you go? Please go somewhere else.
No problem.
It worked.
Bye-bye.
Now the birds now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Very
He's happy he's got nothing on his head. You are welcome. Piggy's face makes me laugh.
Now try to find the hidden pig.
You want to zoom in so you find the hidden pigeon? Remember
Here's
the
the
pigeon?
He's
loves
eating a hot dog.
Oh yes, remember the pigeon from the bus story? And he liked hot
Dogs.
Well, thanks for listening with us. I hope you enjoyed it. Make it a great day and a fun Friday. I can't wait to see you guys sometime soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.